traders, here's a new video. First of all, I have to do the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford, and this video is not an investment advice. So let me talk in this video about timing. Timing is the most important part of candlestick analysis and entering the trade. When to enter the trade, this is really important. I'm going to have to do a video about this. You see now we have a progress time of above 30 seconds. I don't trade above 30 seconds. I try to trade always below 30 seconds. Why? Because on 30 seconds there will be a new candle, yes, and everything can happen. So we have seen here this was a resistance. I'm gonna do a put here if it's going. Okay, I do put now. Yes, I don't see any movement above, and I don't see any kind of rejection. So I did a put, and the thing is, I did a put because we were below the 30 seconds per case time. Yes, we are in a downtrend. Yes, and I saw that the price was struggling to go up. Yes, so I did a put. So let's wait till this will expire, and then I'm gonna show you another trade. Or I'm gonna show you again another trade immediately after this here, because this is a hammer. Yes, a bearish hammer. So let me see if what will happen here, because you see the candlestick is always a movement till it is formed. So it wasn't a hammer, it was a hammer, but now it's something like a bearish candle, a strong bearish candle, and I missed this trade. So I have to show you, let me see what is going on here. If I cannot enter a trade because this is nothing saying here to me. I don't understand what the market wanted to explain me. You see, we are here. Do we have here some kind of, what is this? Okay, this one I draw as well. I drew you before. So let us do this here. I would say this is much more. This is a strong one here. So let me see. Okay, you see per case time 40, it's too high for me. I will enter only trade below 30 seconds. So let me see what is going on here. We need a retracement maybe now. Yes, a small or a large one, I don't know. I think it will be a retracement soon. So maybe there's some news on. Okay, there is a retracement. Okay, I think I don't do nothing till I don't see what is going on here. Okay, let me see, expiry time. Okay, no, nothing to do. So now you see, now I have to wait at least 27 seconds till the next possible trade. Yes, because I don't know what is going on here. So let me see if I can draw some Fibonacci line to understand what is going on there. Let me see here. It's not really nice. Here, no. Here, maybe. Okay, this was some kind of rejection there. Okay, it's not saying a lot. So we're entering again here. Okay, here we have some kind of resistance. Yes, it we have to look if we got a rejection there. So I'm gonna do a put here because the expiry time was below 30 seconds. Yes, and I saw a rejection on this level here. So that's the way I trade. You have seen I have first observed the price, because candlestick analysis is not so it's not a long-term prediction. Yes, candlestick analysis can predict 1 or 2 candles, max 3 candles in the future, and so you have to choose a shortest expiry time as possible to be sure that you're gonna get in the money, yes, because no one can know what will happen in the next 2-3 candles, so you have to choose the shortest possible. So let me see this. We are still below 30 seconds, so I'm gonna do another call put here if I saw a rejection. If not, I don't do anything. Yes, okay, I do saw the rejection, and it was always below the 30 seconds, yes, of the purchase time, and I entered in this trade. That's the way how you have to trade, yes. If you trade on candlestick analysis like I do, yes, if you don't see any reaction, any movement, any confirmation in this 25 seconds, you don't trade. So I have done a lot of trades here, a few trades. So I'm going to show you now. There was a question how I set up my Bollinger Bands. Yes. So I'm going to show you how to set up the Bollinger Bands. I remove them here. The Bollinger Bands are set up in this way. You go here, Bollinger Bands. The first one is 20 period, yes, 20, deviation 2, yes, and then here green, middle, upper line green, lower line green, and the middle line white. Okay, so this is the first. And the second Bollinger Band, you choose twice the Bollinger Band, 20, period 20, deviation 1, this is important, and then white, white, and white. So at the end you have then my Bollinger Bands, yes, these are the Bollinger Bands here, and that's how you set them up. So if you like my video, like it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, and if you have any questions, yes, comment comment. I'm glad to answer you. So I hope you understand the concept of timing. This is also valid for support and resistance, EMAs. Yes, it's all time valid. I try always to trade below 30 seconds because this is in a time of one candle. Okay, so stay safe and bye bye.